future pirate families. Welcome to MP3 Middle School. I am so excited to meet all of you this fall. I'm going to share with you two really important things today. One of them is a little bit about myself, and the other one is how to contact me. My name is Miss Edwards, and I am a middle school counselor, and I'm an assistant principal at MP3 Middle School. I wear a lot of hats around here. Normally, I would invite you onto campus for a tour. Your students can do shadow days. But as we all know, this is a really different kind of year. So what I'd like to encourage you is that if you have any questions, if you'd like to meet with one of us, if you'd like to Zoom with one of us, or just chat with one of us on the phone, please give me a call or email me and I'll set that up for you. You can get a hold of me by calling my direct office line, 916-567-5746. You can also email me anytime at tedwards@natomasunified.org. And of course, you can always contact our front office. There's some amazing people up there who will direct you to me. Again, I can't wait to meet you guys. It's a great day to be a pirate. Arr!